As the technology advances and regulations get harder, calibrating things so that you get good data back is really important.
We're doing endurance racing, so the car is constantly changing over 24 hours. And it was a challenge to understand aerodynamics with wear. And the Creaform tools were how we could scan the car before a race and after a race and really understand what was going on. Then with the new race car, the GTP that showed up, the whole model for IMSA really locked down on aerodynamics. It was actually one body to rule them all with only one change. So suddenly IMSA cared more about what you're presenting. So the tool for us now became how close can we get to the exact perfect model that they expect in order to give us the most downforce. We've learned the challenge is much bigger than we thought. If we hadn't been involved with Creaform, I think we would have been frustrated really early on. The race car, it's not a perfect object. Every time it goes on track, it changes slightly.
With the scanner, we can kind of go into every little crack and crevice of the car and see if it's in regulation or how close it is to what it's designed at. So the whole VX Elements platform is kind of the perfect all-in-one tool for scanning, comparing, quality control, making models. It's where we can take a car that we just assembled for the race, scan it, pull it into VX Inspect with the CAD model, make a color map, and kind of see what needs adjusting. And then we can go back, make those adjustments, scan it again, and make sure we show up to the race knowing that all of our bodywork in the car is within regulation.